Manish, shall I tell you
This,
that
this
pie
column should
chart
come
and
in this.
bar chart once again? Manish, are you there?
Yes, yes. Column in particular. That's what I just.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. So, yeah, I will share the screen now. Okay. So in Get Data, I'm taking an Excel workbook and I'm taking the Zomato data will be okay, right? In that we can make all.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So the data set got loaded. So here we are having something like this. If you want to know that how many types of restaurant are there in a particular type, so in that case, in bar chart, what you can do is you can put rest type, the type in x-axis, so that names will come over there. And when the same type you are putting in y-axis, then y-axis, in order to make a bar chart, we need numerical values in y-axis, right? So it will always show you count. I mean, by default, it will show you count that how many number of times that type is appearing. So here you can see that delivery type is the type of restaurant which is highest in number. Okay, this is one kind of logic. And like if you want to find out that what is the cost of different types, so in that case, you have to put the type in x-axis and cost in y-axis. So it will show you cost in y-axis and type in x-axis. And if you are making a horizontal chart, things will get reversed. So here you can put type in x-axis, y-axis. Type will be in y-axis because here the categorical value should be there. And in this axis, numerical values will be there. So cost you should put in x-axis. Okay, same chart, but it is reversed. Clear? Is it clear how to make bar chart?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And here you can, in the format, if you will put the data labels on, you will get the values also regarding that particular thing. Rest of the formatting all you can do by simply watching that videos. The concept is clear now. Either you can put the same
Yes,
variable in
ma'am.
both axes or you can put different variables also.
And ma'am, what should come in value or section? Value.
Value means always numerical value it will take. Value will come in case of pie chart, donut chart like that. Na? This is donut chart. Now, if you want, if categorical variable should be there in legend and numerical variable should be there in values. Okay. So if you are putting type and votes, type means type is a categorical value and numerical variable we are putting in values. Okay. So it will show you like this. Which particular type is having how many number of votes. Understood? Is it
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
Manish?
Yes, yes.
In legend, you should put categorical variable. In values, you should put numerical variable. If somehow you are taking same categorical variable over here, it will simply work like the bar chart that I already told you. This particular bar chart is right now in the form of pie chart. That's it, nothing else. Delivery is the highest. Dine out is the second highest, the same way it is. Delivery is the highest, dine out is the second highest. Understood? You can put categorical in values or I mean in y-axis of normal bar chart also, but by default it will be taken as a numerical value only. Like it will check how many a number of times that particular unique value is getting repeated. Understood? Clear? When you are making it into bar chart.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. When you are taking this particular chart and you are converting it into a bar chart, it is the same bar chart that we have seen earlier, this one. The same bar chart it is, okay? I hope it is clear to you. Like, which variable should be taken where? Clear, right? Manish?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, video got series from my side. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
what happened?
Okay, ma'am. I got it.
Okay. Rest of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
things you please go through the videos, recorded videos, it will clear your doubts. If you're having any other doubt, you can ask me in next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. But your video doesn't come in the group, like recorded video.
What?
Answers comes but
Your
your video
voice, I
doesn't
don't know
come in the
whether
group.
my network is having issue or your voice is not clear. I don't know. What you were asking?
I'm saying your recorded video doesn't come in the group. Only Ankit sir videos come on
Okay. Actually, Ankit sir is your team lead. I'm teaching Power BI only. Okay, I will share in business analyst. I will send that link to you too. In the Power BI group, I will put it. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. So let us go through the session. Right now, I'm closing it. Delete mode. Because our today's topic is different. That's why. Okay. So today we will be discussing about web scraping. Web scraping in the sense you can extract the, tabular format data from any website. The table may be there in the, in the web page itself, or it will be just like a table in the back end of the web page. Okay. Both you can extract. So one example I will tell you. See, in this particular web page, you can see there is a pie chart. Okay. It's regarding the number of seats acquired by different parties in Lok Sabha. Okay. So different party names are there and there is a table. You can extract this table in Power BI also. Okay. Simply you have to copy this thing, Control C, then go to get data. There in web, you have to simply paste that thing. Okay. Control V. When you will click on OK, it will show you all possible table that can be formed out of the web page. So this is web scraping in Power BI. In Python, using codes, you can, there is, possibility is very high compared to Power BI. In Power BI, some limitations are there while doing web scraping, but in case of Python, you other data also you can extract. Okay, so this is that same table. Party name is there and number of members and percentage. Those things are given. Okay. Now you can simply load it because it is a clean data that is already there in the website. Okay. This particular table we are going to extract right now. Okay. So it is getting added to the Power BI desktop. Yeah, 37 rows got loaded. Now here the table will appear. This is the table and name is also there. You can see this is the column. Number of members, party. It is in the alphabetic order. But if you want to see the entire data set, right now we are in report view. You have to go to data view to see the entire data set. So this is your data set. Okay. Party name and corresponding number of members and percentage into 100 is shown over here. Now, if you want to make a pie chart out of it, choose the pie chart. Okay. Like in here, party name is there in legend, right? Sorry, guys, my health is not good. That's why. Okay. So party name you should put in legend. And their percentage is mentioned, right? So you can take percentage in values. So you will get a similar pie chart. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes,
How,
ma'am.
how to extract table from a website. Okay. So if we want an e-commerce data to be extracted, for example, in Yoshops, in the front page, you can see a few items and its price as well as whether shipping facility is there or not. The name of the thing, the price of it, and whether shipping facility is there or not. These kind of data is there in the backend of the website. Whether it is an Amazon website, Flipkart, or any other e-commerce website, products will be there in the form of a table in the backend of the website. So we can extract that table also by simply using Power BI. Okay. So you have to simply copy the website link, copy, right? And then go to Power BI. In this get data, you have to select web and there you have to paste it. Control V. Okay. And click on OK. Okay. So this is the suggested table. Don't go with this text. It is not required at all. It is somewhat HTML code and all. It is not required. Go to this table. Now, whatever products are there, its name is given, its price, respective price and shipping data is there. The first product is GeoBook laptop and last product is wedding doll toy. You can see over here, the same thing is there in the website. Okay. First product is GeoBook laptop and the last product is wedding doll toy. Okay. These product name are extracted in it. Now click on load. If you want to clean the dataset, then you have to go to transform data. Right now, I'm just telling you how to load the dataset. And you can use it to do any analysis or something like that. This is the basic part only, okay? If you want to explore it more, you can search about it and you can get more details. Okay, this is our earlier data set. Now, when you are choosing this table one, you can see whichever data set will be there, that will be shown in this field bar and you can select them one by one and check out them. Okay, this is the product name, price and shipping data. Okay, you can rename the column also. Just simply right click and rename it. Okay, you can write like price. Okay, similarly, you can rename the other column also. Is it clear, all of you? How to do
Yes.
web scraping is clear, right? Two forms of web scraping. Simply, you can take the table as it is, or whichever table that is possible. That is in the form of table in the backend, that also can be extracted in Power BI very easily. One more thing is there. You can actually extract multiple page data into a single table. You try out that one. It's not that difficult. A little bit complications is there, but you can try out that too. Okay. So right now we will be talking about data modeling. Next topic is data modeling. So data modeling is of two types. Okay, data modeling. I am writing with the help of mouse. That's why it's not at all clear. Data modeling. Okay, one model is star model. Another model is snowflakes model. Star and snowflakes. Okay, star. One is star model, another one is snowflakes. Snowflakes. Okay. In star model, before that, I want to tell you something about dimension table and fact table. Okay. So I'm going to close it. Let us delete these two things. It is not at all required right now. Delete from the model. And here also, yes. Okay. I'm deleting this one also. Okay. Delete from the model. Right. So I want to tell you two things. One is dimension table. Another is actually one is dimension table. Other is fact table. Okay. Dimension table. And with the help of this concept, we will try to understand that what is star model and what is snowflakes model. Dimension table. One is dimension table in any model. Another one is fact table. So fact table will actually tell you that what is happening in the company. It is very important table. It will tell you directly about the analysis that you are making. Okay. Dimension table is a kind of supporting table. It is important, but not as that of fact table. If you want to evaluate performance of a company, then fact table is the most important table, and it is the prime table also, you can say, and dimension table is the supporting table. So right now I will show you some of the tables, and you please tell me that what you feel about it, whether it is a fact table or a dimension table. Right now I'm showing you data of a particular company. It is a two-wheeler company, and this is the customer data. So please tell me whether it is a fact table or a dimension table, all of you. There is any company, okay, and the
Right.
company, it is a, please tell me once again. It is a dimension table. Okay, it is a dimension table because it is a kind of supporting table. Fact table will actually show you that what happened in the company time to time, like which products were sold out, which products were returned, those kind of data it will show you. It will show you the performance of the company, like what profit company is making out, those kind of things it will show you. Time to time, what is the growth of the company, those things, okay? So this is a kind of supporting data. It is important, but we can't say it is the only thing that through which we can do the analysis. It is not the prime table, okay? So I'm going to load it. And since it is a dimension table, when it will load, I will name it as D-customer. Okay. Its name is customer. See here, you can see. Close and apply. Okay, some people may ask you that what is the limit of Power BI? I mean, which the size of file should be how much maximum, can be how much. So you should say 1 GB, only 1 GB of data. The data set which is of 1 GB only, Power BI can accept. Okay, so I'm going to rename it. I'm writing it as D hyphen customer. It is a customer table. Okay, D hyphen customer. Now I will take another table, and all of you please tell me that it is a dimension table or a fact table, right? I'm going to home, and there in CSV file, I'm taking this data. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yeah. So
So
please,
fact table
it is a fact table, correct? Because it is showing you that what
is
happened.
something like
Yeah, correct. On 1st January, this product was sold out. This was sold out on that particular date. Like that, it is showing. The stock date it is showing, as well. Stock, more than stock date, the order date is important. Like on this particular date, it was sold out, like that thing. It is a sales table. Okay, so it is actually a fact table. I will load it and I will name it as F hyphen sales 2015. Okay, so let us rename it.
Ma'am, can I ask something just before
Yes,
it?
yes, please, yes.
Ma'am, when we go to like scrapmintra.com, it doesn't happen. Even
When
in
we go to
Python, I
the,
tried many times.
yeah, please tell me once again.
Mintra.com,
Myntra.com. Yeah.
where I go, Mintra.com. So if I even I have tried with Python, it didn't get like scrapped. Why is it?
Yeah, you will
Then
get
I'm
the
trying
data,
to
but if
open it.
website is very huge, so it will take some time, and sometimes timeout will happen. It may happen depending upon the website. Like in Mintra, sometimes some problems have occurred. I understand that thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
even Python I have tried. It showed a lot of error.
Sometimes due to the website, we may face some error. It will not be our sole mistake. It will be due to the website also. And sometimes they may be updating the website. So at that time also we may get a huge error too, because they are changing everything in the backend. So that may be the issue also. Okay. So if we are taking books, okay. So these are some books name, and some kind of data is there. Okay. So let us try to scrape it. It is a huge website. Lot of things are there. So in that case, it will take time. It will take a little time. Okay. Meanwhile, I will tell you that what is star model and what is snowflakes model. Okay. Okay, so it is getting loaded. In case of star model, the thing is that we will like fact table will be in the middle. Okay, fact table will be in the middle, and dimension table will be surrounding it, whichever it is connected to it. Now that will be actually surrounding it like this. Okay. So the most important table, that is fact table. And one more thing I want to tell you, most of the case, the flow of information direction will be always from dimension to fact, like this. Wait a second, all of you. Okay, guys. So it will be simply connected like this. Fact table in the middle and dimension table will be surrounding it like this. Okay, whichever is connected to it. It is not necessary that each and every fact table will be connected to dimension table. Oh, okay, guys. So you understood what is a star kind of model? Fact table in the middle, it will be surrounded by dimension table, and the flow of information will be usually from dimension to fact table, or if it is one-to-one, it will be bidirectional also. Okay. In case of snowflakes model, you have to put always the dimension table at the top and fact table at the bottom. Dimension table will be at the top and fact table will be at the bottom, like this. And it will be somewhat connected, like it is not necessary that all the tables will be connected with each other. Whichever is common column, accordingly it will be connected. Is it clear, all of you, what is data modeling? My sound is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Can you just give a revision to this?
Yeah. See, there are two types of tables. One is dimension table, another is fact table. Fact table actually tracks the performance of the company. Like it shows the growth. Like if it is a sales related company, okay, like which is actually selling some products and all. So the I mean, whatever products were sold or whatever products were returned, those kind of thing actually show the growth of the company. If uh, I mean, lot of products are actually sold out, it shows that companies actually making huge growth. Okay. So, and if, but the customer data is not that important. See, customer data, product data, they are actually the supporting table. It is important, but it is not most important, not like fact table. Fact table is the most important thing, which actually shows you the growth of that company, like whether it is making profit, loss, it is selling out products, or it is sitting idle like that. Okay, understood? What is fact table, dimension table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. In case of data model, when fact table is in the middle and it is connected through dimension table, I mean, just like this, it is surrounded by dimension table and it is connected to it, then that is called star model. And star model is the most easy model to make. But in case of this snowflakes model, it is the actual form that we should use to make a model. Like it is the standard form of modeling. Okay. And always the dimension table will be kept at the top and fact table will be kept at the bottom, and it will be connected as per the common columns available in the both table. Like one column which is common in dimension and that is the same column in the fact, they will be connected. Okay. For example, a customer data is there. Customer data will be there. I mean, some key related to customer will be there. Like a customer key is there in the dimension table. This is customer table. Okay. This same customer key will be there in fact table related to sales or returns. Okay. Like the particular customer. See, you can see over here, unable to connect. Sometimes in huge website, this kind of errors will happen. Unable to connect. So that's why I told you that we are not sure that we can extract the data like this or not. Okay, sometimes it happens. Okay, but in case of Amazon, most probably we can extract it data that we will look later. Okay, after completing this topic.
Yes, and actually all websites have tried did goal. Those all gets scrapped, but in case of Myntra, it doesn't happen ever. Means I've told like even I've tried with Python scraping
Hmm.
scripts, it still doesn't get. मतलब इसमें कुछ security. There are some security
Some features are there, so it is difficult to scrape
writing.
that one.
So,
So in that case, if you are getting any task related to any product, don't go for Myntra. Many other e-commerce website are there, na? You can scrape them. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So let us load other tables like customer table, sales table, and one more table. Product we will take. Product categories. Okay. Regarding product categories, all of you please tell me with the help of the discussion that is held right now, it is a dimension table or a fact table. Any idea? It is a dimension table.
It's a supporting yes dimension.
Yeah, some product categories are shown. Okay, it may vary with time. I mean, after some months or all, it may change. Like they may include a new category also, but it is not affecting the entire growth of the company. See, if you are having a single entity and you are doing really good business, that shows your growth. But if you are having many items, then it is not necessary that your company is doing really well, right? It will support your analysis, but it is not exactly the core part of the analysis, right? All of you understood, everyone?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Oh, I went for transform instead of loading it. Let us take load. Oh, sorry. Actually, I should transform it. I'll take it once again. Okay, let us transform. Yeah. Actually, this is, I mean, bikes means one, components means two, clothings means three, accessories means four. Like that, it is there. Okay. Instead of that, there are some categories. Okay. And like in case of the website Yoshops. Okay. Yoshops. Or any other website also you can take. Here in case of Myntra also, yeah. These are the categories like toys, games, mobile, laptops, accessories, electronics, home, kitchen, fashion, food. These are some categories of different products. And what is coming in the drop down are the subcategories. You understood what is the concept? What is category? What is subcategory? Clear? All of you? So in this case, these are some categories. So we should align it properly. So for that, right now it is just like rows only. It should be in columns. So for that, go to transform, use the transpose function, this transpose, so that rows can be converted into columns. In mathematics, we have already learned what is called transpose. Transpose of the matrix means rows will become columns and columns will become rows. So here you can write like rename. This is category key. Okay, and this is actually the category. Okay, so this is one table. Now let us choose this close and apply so that changes will be reflected in our Power BI desktop. Okay, so it will get reflected over there. Yeah, and now let us take another CSV file. We are having only 3 minutes left, so most probably it will not finish. So you please join once again when meeting will end. Okay. So let us take product subcategory. Okay. This is the table showing the subcategories of those product. Okay. Here it is showing the category key only, not the names of the category. And one means bike. So mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes, they are coming under it. Two means components. So whichever components are there, it is coming. So like that. Based on that, some subcategories are being shown. Okay. So I will simply load it. And all of you, please tell me whether it is a dimension table or a fact table. Both of these tables are what, all of you? Dimension or fact? Any idea? It is dimension table. Is it clear?
Please show again the table.
Yeah?
Ma'am, please show again that table, please.
Yeah, sure. 1 second. Okay. So regarding the table, I will show you. Okay. This is customer table and this is the product category table. This is product subcategory table. This is sales table. Okay. We will take one more table. Okay. Is it clear? Customer table, it is having data of the customer key,
Same
and what is
fact
their
table.
name. Those kind of things are there. Okay. Regarding category, it is showing some categories only. Category and its key. Regarding subcategory, it is showing the subcategory names and category key. Okay, and subcategory key is also there. Regarding sales, it is showing the what things were sold on which particular day and who were the customers, those kind of data. How many quantity of products were sold. Those kind of data is there. So it is the fact table, rest of them are dimension table. Is it clear, all of you? Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
I am sharing the video. It is not visible to you, Lipsa. It is getting recorded. I will provide it the link in the group too. Okay.